Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. First, we need to open settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them, all you need to do is scroll up, click on the search bar, write settings. Now, once they're open, go to gestures. Now click on power key. Now go to press and hold. There it is, digital assistant. Now, if you want to use it, just hold your power button, scroll down, continue, use Gemini, and it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.